Hi guys, welcome to another video with Fix This House. I want to talk to you about 5 simple upgrades for your above ground pool. This is my second year with the Coleman 18-foot above ground pool, and it's going to be even better than last year because of these 5 upgrades. I want to share with you what they are and encourage you to upgrade your pool as well. Let's go. Here's an important upgrade. It's a shut-off valve that shuts off the flow of water back to your filter pump. This piece of equipment should be standard with all of these pools, but it's not. All you get initially is just a T. The problem is, without the shut-off valve, when you go to clean out your filter cartridge and you take the lid off the filter, there's nothing to stop the flow of water back from the pool into the pump. It's a real mess. But with this valve here, very conveniently, you can turn it on and off, so you can easily change out clean your filter cartridge at your pump. This is an essential upgrade. Another upgrade for this year that I'm real excited about is this new entry ladder to get in and out of the pool. Here's the old one that comes with all of these pools, and there's 2 problems that I see with it. First of all, it's not very sturdy. Last year I fastened a board to the feet on the outside of the pool just to give it a little bit more stability. But my big problem with this is the pipes are steel, so they're rusting from the inside out. You can see a little bit of rust here. It looks okay from the outside because it's painted. But when I would pull the ladder out of the pool, rusty water would flow out of these pipes. And I didn't like that rust getting into my pool. So I'm a lot happier with this new one, which is plastic, obviously, won't rust, and it's going to be a lot more stable than the one we used last year, and I'm really excited about this new ladder upgrade. Our next upgrade is this skimmer attachment made by Hayward. And I'm really happy to have this because I spent way too much time last year with that net cleaning dirt off the surface of the pool. And when you consider that all the dirt that enters your pool does so at the surface, it only makes sense to have a skimmer. So I'm really happy with this. It's been working great, collecting all that debris that enters on the surface of your water. And it's going to keep my pool cleaner, and I'm going to spend less time with that net cleaning the surface of the pool. Another great upgrade that I want to recommend to you is a small piece of decking, or a landing pad, a small platform if you will. And this is going to be useful to keep your pool cleaner. Kids won't be getting in and out with dirty feet. It's a place where they can put their sandals or their flip-flops, their towel, whatever. And instead of tracking dirt in and out of the pool from the ground, they got a nice clean platform to work off of. And it's just some decking material and some 2x4s. You can get that at Lowe's or Home Depot, build it yourself. Pretty easy and a nice little upgrade. And our final upgrade for this season was this upgraded new sand filter to replace the little filter and pump that comes originally with this pool. And this is less than $200. It's easy to install, it's more powerful, and I think I'm going to spend less time cleaning the pool, less time maintaining the pool, and this sand filter is doing a great job. I've had it up for about a week and I'm really happy with the results. And my pool is ready to go. The water's crystal clear. So I'm looking forward to spending more time enjoying the pool and less time cleaning it, thanks to these upgrades, including this new Extreme Power US 13-inch sand filter. Well, those are my 5 upgrades for the above ground pool. I'm ready for summer. If these ideas are of interest to you, please check out some of the links to the videos and installation videos. Also in the description, you'll see some links where you can buy these products yourselves. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a great summer with your pool. Bye-bye.